That leads me to the next thing. In this our 21st century of Gen Z, how many virgins do you think we have? Before you start shouting, there are plenty of us that are virgin. I'm one of them too. When I discover some things I've done, it dawned on me that I'm not a virgin, I'm deceiving myself. I'm waiting. It is I come to deceive you, or come to bobo you. You are asking me, why should you see each other's nakedness during courtship? Didn't you hear what I define as courtship? Don't you know what courtship is? You think courtship is boyfriend and girlfriend? You think courtship means he's my friend or she's my friend? You think courtship means he's my acquaintance, he's my work colleagues? You think courtship means my friends with benefits? Are you high? Courtship means we have passed through all the stages of relationship. The only one that remains is marriage. So now courtship means that it's two people coming together, agreeing that we want to marry, but now we want to check ourselves whether we are qualified to marry together. It's not fight. Yes, I said it's not fight. Before I start going to different corners, I want to dwell on the nakedness matter, so that there's no running away. It is you here means anybody listening to this that is of the opinion or of the that we should not see each other's nakedness. It is you and I